What's going on, everybody? Brent Simmons here with Roofing Insights, and I am joined with Adam and Jason right now. A couple months ago or a couple weeks ago, there was a resume that was posted on the Roofing Insights private group, and I've got it on my laptop here. And there was a lot of controversy surrounding this resume. But what I wanted to do today is get a genuine reaction. I've got two business owners here. I'm going to read this out loud, and we're going to see if they would or would not hire this person. So, y'all ready to get going?
Let's do it.
All right, cool. And I'm not going to give you any of my opinion. I want this to be genuine from you guys. So, he starts out at 10% of all sales and change orders. What do y'all think?
I mean, that's pretty common.
Total off the top?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
we
cool with
can,
it?
we can move from
Does
there.
it pass?
That's check mark.
Okay, cool. Company credit card for gas, oil changes, tires, and maintenance.
Pretty standard.
Yeah.
Standard.
That's asking. That's asking for a little bit extra on our side of town.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
You're lucky to get it with that type of company.
Okay. I kind of agree. I'm going to give my opinion on this too. Sounds like he's using his personal vehicle. And you know, I'm okay with gas and maybe oil changes, but tires, like that's a stretch because he's definitely using it to like go to the grocery
Does he want rims and stuff too? Or just
I mean, probably, man. Supercharger.
no, rims I can't do.
And so number 3, company logo golf shirts, hoodies, jackets, and business cards. Jason.
I mean, we dress our guys in our shirts. So yeah.
Pretty standard.
Yep. All our guys get that.
That's an easy one. All right. Here's where it starts to get sticky. 3% of all sales of additional salespeople brought into the company and trained by this person. What do you think about that?
No.
No? Fail?
That's a fail. I mean, I would want people that want to help others succeed and train them. So if we brought somebody in new, let's say Kevin is new, I'm gonna send him with Brandon to show him what we do. So
A little teamwork. What do you think of this?
We already have processes set up for that, for leadership positions. So we want people to come in ready to grow with us, not to tell us how we're going to grow.
Yeah. This just smells of a lot of entitlement, honestly. The next one. Dedicated assistant to set appointments for sales team. What is your take?
Dedicated.
Must be nice. Must be nice. That's a no-go.
The job does not come with your personal assistant. I'm sorry.
And that's one of the things this is confusing to me because I don't know if he's talking about like just having someone in the office in general, which of course
we already have somebody in the office. Too.
Yeah, is he saying you got to have that person, or does he want his own?
It says dedicated, right?
Yeah, I mean,
yeah, no,
I guess.
That's not happening.
All right, marketing budget of about 8 to 10% of targeted annual sales goal. 8 to 10% he wants extra, or of the targeted goal.
What?
Yeah.
Wait, I must have not heard that right.
Okay, so 8 to 10% of targeted annual sales goal. So
no, what?
So he's like, hey, I'm gonna hit $1 million. I need $100,000.
Up front.
Yeah, no. Performance will pay.
Interview's over.
It's over.
Yeah,
well, but there's more.
Get out of my office.
Can we keep? You want to keep going though? All right.
What world is this guy from?
Follow recommended procedures for providing clients with a professional experience that will lead to the feedback, reviews, recommendations, and reputation we must have. Yeah.
That sounds like a lot of that ought to be on his plate as well.
Right.
You know?
Yeah.
Rather than just relying on us to, what is this guy actually doing?
And that's not really a requirement. I mean, it's like, he's required to follow the procedures.
Right.
Okay. 4 to 5 appointments per day for this guy.
If he wants to. Depends on how many he sets up.
What do you provide leads, right?
I do provide leads, yeah. So To guarantee 4 or 5 a day.
Yeah.
Just, again, like, dude, after the other question, oh, he was already out of my office. But with that,
Yeah.
it's just kind of like,
And
to demand that, I guess I kind of see where he's like,
yeah, he wants
he wants the opportunities, make sure the opportunities is there, so I get that. But to get that guaranteed, no. I mean, go to the job site and knock on the neighbors next door or whatever, and let's consider that some of your
100%.
Could you guarantee that to the salesperson right now?
We don't really hand out leads in that way. We like to generate our own through referrals and these good customer interactions. So no, that wouldn't be.
There's no way he's gonna.
He wouldn't be able to do that here
at all.
My kind of takeaway from that can be hard even for like bigger companies to do. I mean, you can't. I mean, there's gonna be
There's
slow
no way you can
times.
guarantee it. Yeah.
Right, 4 to 5 per day.
Or else
25 appointments.
And why do you want that many? Too. Sounds like he's a volume guy, so
his close rate is very low.
Low close rate. He's got to hit 100 homes to sell 20 or less.
It might turn into something where I want to give him 4. If he's a if he's a bad I won't say that, but if he's a great sales guy and a good closer, then maybe I want to give him 3 to 5. But there's no way you're going to get that up front.
So the last one, guys, bi-weekly company meetings to review all aspects of business plans, goals, etc.
He wants to have management meetings?
Yes.
Am I interviewing for his company?
And that, yeah.
Okay.
So, I mean, I kind of
bi-weekly.
Bi-weekly.
Yeah. This guy is.
There's not even time for that.
So I think this whole, there's so many red flags here. There's not just one. There's like 5 or 6, I would say. And, I want to be respectful, but also to the person who posted this, run. Get away. I would not even entertain this. There's just a lot of attitude issues here too.
Yeah,
a lot of entitlement. Don't just run into this with all these demands. This is a demand letter. So, yeah.
I'd have my own. I would probably, because I'm a little bit smarter, I would probably have my own response with demands and whatnot. Like, absolutely, you can have all these things, but here's my requirements.
Yeah.
And he probably wouldn't like it. So.
All right. Anything you'd like to add?
I generally feel that once people are to that point, they've been treated one way or another by other business owners. And you can have a serious talk to kind of curb the issues that he's trying to stop in the future that he's obviously had with other companies.
Yep.
But that's not the way to go about it. Demands is not a conversation.
Right. Got it. All right. So I think the vote is in. This I don't think anybody here would hire this person just based upon this. And So that's it for this video, but it's not over yet. I want you guys to leave me some feedback. Leave us some feedback. We are all business owners, so we see it from one lens. We could be missing something here. So this is an open conversation. Drop some comments. I want to see what everybody else thinks about this. I'm Brent, this is Jason and Adam, Roofing Insights. Thanks for watching.